Okay, we're back on cause number 2021-10610. The state has asked me to take, you want to admit this into evidence, Ms. Mitchell?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll mark it as state sworn. You have any objection to that, Mr. Lopez?
No objection.
Court will note that we'll admit the State's Exhibit 1, which is a DNA test report, which would indicate that the alleged father, James Abrego, is not excluded as the biological father of the tested child, Kason Frieden, the child subject to this suit. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state would like to call its first witness, it's Frieden.
Okay.
Ms. Frieden, please state your name.
Jada Frieden.
What is the name of your child in this case?
Kason Frieden.
What is his birth date?
December 21st, 2020.
Okay. Who is his dad?
James Abrego.
Are you currently married?
No.
Were you married when you conceived your son?
No.
All right. Are you asking this court to establish the parent-child relationship between Kason and Mr. Abrego?
Yes.
Okay. With regard to conservatorship, are you asking this court to grant a sole managing conservatorship?
Yes.
Okay. And with that, you would be designated as the managing conservator with the exclusive right to designate the primary residence of Caden without regard to geographical restrictions?
Yes.
Okay. Let me ask you with regard to visitation, possession, and access. Is there a good reason not to allow Mr. Abrego visitation with Kason?
Yes.
What concerns do you have with allowing Mr. Abrego to have visitation?
He has history of family violence with his wife.
Okay. Does he have any type of criminal records? What type of family violence?
Just he is in and out of jail due to them always fighting. He's in jail currently for family violence, impending breathing. Also, he has some drug habits and just,
Okay.
an unhealthy environment over where he stays at.
Okay. And so you're asking the court to grant no visitation at this time. Is that correct?
Correct.
He's currently incarcerated, ma'am?
Yes.
He's current? Yes. And how long do you think he's going to be incarcerated?
I have no idea.
How long has he been incarcerated?
Just the past month, for like the fourth or fifth time over the past 5 months.
All right, go ahead.
Okay. So with regard to child support, you have stated that Mr. Abrego is incarcerated. So is it correct that you're asking this court to order no child support at this time based on the fact that Mr. Abrego is incarcerated.
Yes.
Okay. How is the child covered for health insurance?
He's currently on Medicaid.
Okay. And so we will also not request that Mr. Abrego be ordered to pay cash medical support based on the fact that he is incarcerated. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. With regard to retroactive child support, has Mr. Abrego given you anything to support Kason since he has been born?
No.
Are you requesting retroactive child support?
Yes.
Okay. And so we were able to calculate that between December the 21st, 2020 through September the 22nd, 2021, Mr. Abrego should be ordered to pay $1,990 for a retroactive child support amount. Is that correct?
Correct.
However, we are not requesting a payout at this time due to his incarceration. Is that correct?
Correct.
Now, with regard to your address, is there any type of safety concern as to why we should not list your address in this order?
Yes.
Okay. Why is that?
I previously had a no trespass order against him. He would keep coming over to my home without notice and just coming inside my house if the door was unlocked. He has shot a gun through my windshield previously before. He's just made lots of threats towards me. And he does carry weapons on him at all times. So, I just don't feel safe that he knows my address at this time.
Okay. Are you asking the court to grant this default judgment against Mr. Abrego?
I'm sorry?
Are you requesting that the court grant this default judgment, this order against Mr. Abrego?
Yes.
You believe this order is in the best interest of your child?
Right.
Okay, Your Honor, I pass this witness.
Mr. Lopez?
Just really quickly, Jada. I'm sorry. I don't know if the thing froze there for a second. Jada, do you believe that this order is in the best interest of your son?
Yes.
And you've had an opportunity to discuss this order with me, correct?
Correct.
And after our discussions, you're still asking the court to go ahead and enter this order, correct?
Correct.
That's all I have, Judge.
Well, Ms. Frieden, if Mr. Abrego knows your address, is he likely to cause you or your child harassment, abuse, serious harm, or injury?
I do believe so, yes.
All right, court will approve the order.